Hey guys, welcome back to my day. So I am at my cousin's house. I got picked up from my house and I left my little brother behind to go with my other cousin because today we're going to the river. So as you know, I'm in a love-hate relationship with water, but for the sake of videoing, for the sake of YouTube, for the sake of Instagram, for the sake of y'all, I will be recording our adventure at the river today. So the cousin's house that I'm at now, she usually doesn't come along because she's always busy with business meetings. So I'm so glad. So I'll see you on our way there.
Kayla, I now have a new found appreciation for Korean series.
Which one do you want? Mr. Portios, we can't go to the river. Hello!
No flash photography.
You know, it's so famous. Stop it. Say hi, Swan. Say hi, Chase. Hello. I know water for swimming and water for the put. Everybody asks, where is the river? The world dehydrated. Where I go over there, sir? That's where we're going?
Yeah.
Are you afraid of me? You know me don't like the water. So me don't like water. Because una come. I don't understand. Where am I for go? Wait. Listen to me. Me and a different breed. Una dog, me a cat. The water is cold.
Oh my god! No washer! No washer!
We have finally arrived. All who jumping off of the Jama, I don't know what you're talking about, but it cannot be me. Look very cold. Ooh. What do you mean? When tell us that the water my house coming like this, I'm eat up on it, you know. From when you appear at water, come to the pipe. The alien Kingston. And she just passed second place. And she go into first place. And she overtakes. Come to cheers. Cheers. Calm down.
How about you not take shower?
No.
Oh my god! What is that?
Let me go back. You know what happened to me one day? I think yesterday I cooked kidney. And when I use the seasoning, so we have some open packet of small seasoning, Maggi seasoning, and I use the open one plus the next pack. to season up the kidney. When I pour the water in, I see some black stuff now float.
Oh, yeah.
Yes! I say, oh God, my poor kidney. They want me to try to fish them out. I say, anything we left it up, I'm going to eat.
I'm going to eat ketchup and then.
I say, oh my goodness.
Yeah, we even like a little ball.
Yeah. I say, look what I catch me. After that, I start putting the seasoning back to my fridge.
Yeah.
I say, I'm fried. I say, but I never season it up in a week. So when people come from me, I say, you pack it. Oh yeah, some ribs. My ribs don't play now, watch it. Oh my gosh, she's showing her belly, can you believe? Oh my, Of course, it's almost done. Look how little Jessica get bigger than me now. Get bigger than me, but I understand I grow. But me look like I'm not trying. But it's okay, I just have a growing disorder. I'm not short, I'm fun size. What so pretty. So pretty, my God. Y'all can be pretty like me.
Bullshit.
That's embarrassing to say that to my own house.
I don't like it. I don't like see you prosper. Yeah, but about who?
You want me to catch my camera so I can? Disgusting.
I'm sorry. I see you plan for your lip, I'm sorry. I see you go for your lip, I'm sorry.
Jesus. She's just spit in rice grain and try to argue with her from my lip. Out of all the places from my body, my lip got run off by tomorrow. Jesus.
I'm sorry. Yeah. She don't look mad.
In modern day tradition, we're gonna take a family portrait with everybody. Battery dying, and we're about to head over. I'll change the battery and update you from there. Excess energy drink and also. All getting changed. Some are changing on the beach. The bottom that I don't have. The titties that I don't have. No, this time we say goodbye. It's not forever. I'm not dying. When you go to the river, them always give out food. I'm joking. Carry on around being in love with accent different. Now we're finally leaving out to go home. Me and my big muscles. I'm waiting on Suan and Chase. Takes wherever
dive off in the water. That's it, bye.
Brother,
We're not really. Ay. Why did it seem so hard to come down when it's so easy to go up? It's never over until we go home. It's time to go home. We're going home.
Watch your run.
Am I going?
Why you hit me with the drawers?
Hello, people, it's me again.
It's me again. Let me sing Adele.
Yeah.
Adele sing when will I ever sing?
Yeah, sing that. I'm gonna look tough in this because I stand up and look tough.
When will I see you again? Something, where is it?
Mi familia.
I added this new ear thing onto my ears. I'm kind of liking it. It feels funny at times. I feel like something is playing on my ears. But it feels nice. How old am I? I am 20. 21.
Yeah, 22.
I'm 22, I'm
Tell you. See some retarded.
I for real thought I was 21. I'm 22. Now we're on our way home.
We are one thing.
Shaday.